If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and recover your voice chat functionality. Step 1. Check your audio settings. Open the League of Legends client and navigate to the Settings menu. Ensure that your audio settings are correctly configured, including the input and output devices. Make sure the correct microphone and speakers are selected. Step 2. Update your drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Go to your computer's device manager, find your audio devices, and check for any available updates. Install the latest drivers and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. Sometimes corrupted game files can lead to voice chat problems. Open the League of Legends client, go to the settings, and find the option to repair or verify game files. This process will check for any issues and fix them automatically. Step 4. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus may be blocking League of Legends voice chat feature. Go to your firewall or antivirus settings and ensure that League of Legends is allowed to communicate through the network. Add exceptions if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, reinstalling League of Legends can resolve persistent voice chat issues. Uninstall the game from your computer, then download and install the latest version from the official website. This will ensure you have a fresh installation without any bugs. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your voice chat functionality in League of Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support for further assistance.